All right, so now that we know how to set up our diamond problems, we want to make sure that we know how to actually bring this full circle back to what we originally were doing. So what we originally were doing was taking standard form equations and we wanted to find the factored form. That's why we're factoring. And just as a reminder, it was easy for us to go one way. It was easy for us to go the other way. So to go from factored form to standard form, that's when we distribute it. Okay, but what we learned is that we need some new math to go from standard form to factored form, and that is what we're doing now, factoring. Okay, so how does this apply to actually coming up with this form? Well, I'm going to show you right now. We did say that you're going to have two numbers. You're going to multiply these two numbers to get the top, add these two numbers to get the bottom. Well, it turns out those two numbers that you're finding in these puzzles are going to fit into your factored form. What it's going to look like is this. So you have x plus m in one of them, and then x plus n in the other. That looks like your factored form. So let's go ahead and just apply this to what this actually looks like. So we're simply going to say, okay, y equals, I know it's going to be something like this because this is what my factored form looks like. There's an x here, there's an x here. It's going to be plus the first one of these numbers, 7, and then plus the second one, so plus -4, or just simply -4, which I'll write it like that, -4. So that's your factored form. It's that simple. See if you can pause this and do that same thing for this one. Great, so you will get y equals, parentheses, x minus 5, close parentheses, parentheses again, x plus 3. That's how you write it.